It really can depend on the density. Some people just naturally have a lot of volume, while others have to do things to enhance their volume. So there's two different parts that come into play. Some people have natural volume, and some people have to use things to enhance that volume through their styling method, through their hair cutting, things like that that help improve the volume. There's things you can do as far as the types of shampoos and conditioners you use. You can use volumizing shampoos and conditioners. There's styling products specifically for curly hair for volume, like lightweight things help volume. You don't want to use anything that's very heavy or oily. You want to use light things to help increase volume. So if you use lighter products, and diffusing methods. So the way you dry your hair with a diffuser attachment on the dryer will also help increase volume.